The new version of Windows is about to come out just around the corner. But if you don't want to wait, well guys, my name is Enrique and on this video I'm going to show you how you can install Windows 11 today. The first thing that you want to do is to make sure that your system meets the requirements of hardware for it, especially the security chip with the TPM 2.0. And even though there is a workaround that we're going to be seeing in another video, if you don't have the requirements or you haven't made that workaround, you are not going to be able to install it. To install Windows 11 on your PC, you are going to need to go inside of the Windows Insider programs, because that is the only way that you are going to gain access to the preview Windows 11 build. And for that, let's jump right into the PC. Open your Windows 10 PC and go into the settings. In here, click into Update and Security and choose Windows Insider Program. If you are not already signed up, click on the Get Started button. From the pop-up that appears, click Link an Account, and after you have linked your account, you are going to see the options that you have to choose. You can choose between Dev Channel, Beta Channel, and Release Preview Channel. If you only see the Release Preview Channel and you don't see the Dev Channel or the Beta Channel, I would recommend you to accept it, join the program, restart your system, and after that, I'm going to let you in the description down below a link to a small software that is going to help you get your Beta Channel or the Dev Channel. I recommend you guys to choose the Beta Channel because it's the one that is going to have more stability on Windows 11. Right-click on it and select Open as Administrator. Press Enter and here you have the three options. Choose the one for the Beta Channel and restart one more your system. Once your system is back up, go again into the Settings and Windows Insider Program, and there you're going to be seeing that you can have the Beta Channel on it. And now go into the Windows Update tab. In here, check for updates, and after a few seconds you're going to see an update named Windows 11 Insider Preview, and it will start automatically to be downloaded. Once it's finishing downloaded and installing, you're going to be prompted to restart your PC. Click on Restart Now to do it. Once your PC has restarted, you're going to have Windows 11 Beta ready to use. And don't worry about nothing, all your apps and files will remain intact. I hope this video has helped you to get Windows 11 already installed into your PC. Subscribe for the channel if you haven't already, because I'm going to bring you a lot more guides and tutorials on this new version of Windows. And if you have enjoyed this video, a thumbs up is always welcome and really helps the channel to grow. Thanks for watching my friends, and like always, see you on the next time. Bye bye!